In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive money from a RIA money transfer in 2025. Whether you're receiving money via bank deposit, mobile wallet, or cash pickup, the process is simple. If you're receiving funds to your bank account, make sure the sender has your correct banking details, including your full name, account number, and any necessary codes like SWIFT or IBAN. Once the sender completes the transfer, the funds will be automatically deposited into your account. For mobile wallet transfers, the sender will need to know your wallet provider and account details. Once the transfer is processed, the money will be credited directly to your mobile wallet account. If you prefer to pick up cash, visit a nearby RIA agent location. Bring the transaction PIN along with a valid photo ID. After verifying the details, you'll receive your cash. In some cases, home delivery might be available. If this is an option in your area, provide the sender with your full name, address, and phone number, and the money will be delivered to your doorstep. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.